Good morning, students. Let's continue with the chapter that is admission of partnership. Take down illustration 67. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. On 31st March, their balance sheet is as follows. On the above date, C is admitted as a partner. A surrendered 1/6 of his share and B surrenders 1/3 of the share. Goodwill is valued at 1,20,000. C brings half of the share of goodwill in cash. So C will bring only half of the share in cash. About the remaining half they have not mentioned. So it will be assumed that it is not brought in cash. So which is brought in cash, it will be case of goodwill, case number 2. And which is not brought in cash will be case 3 of goodwill. Following adjustments are agreed. Stock is reduced to 56,000 and furniture 5,000. So debit side of revaluation account. There is an unrecorded asset, credit side of revaluation account. 1 month's rent is outstanding, debit side of revaluation account as there is an increase in asset. Then a creditor for goods purchased 10,000 had been omitted, although goods has been correctly included in stock. So point 4 they have said that कि एक creditor था जिसकी हम एंट्री करना भूल गए, it was 10,000 rupees, but stock में उसकी कर दी है. So which means there is an increase of liability by 10,000 which will be written on debit side of revaluation account. Then we have insurance premium 8,000 debited in P&L account. जो P&L account होता है उसमें we had an insurance of 8,000 of which 2,000 is related to period after 31st March. So whatever is related after 31st March becomes your prepaid insurance. So this is increase in the asset. So credit side of revaluation account. Clear? So let us work out the problem. First, what do we need to do? Calculation of sacrifice ratio. We know the old ratio, that is 3:2. A surrenders to C. How much is it? Old ratio is 3/5. How much did he surrender? 1/6. So 3/30 he surrenders or 1/10. Then we have B surrenders to C. Old ratio is 2/5. How much does he surrender? 1/3. So how much do we get? 2/15. So what will be the sacrifice ratio? 1/10 is to 2/15. LCM will be 30. 3:4. So sacrifice ratio is 3:4. Then we need to calculate new ratio. Calculation of new ratio. We have A, B, C. What is the old ratio of A? 3/5. How much did he surrender for C? It is 1/10. So what is the LCM now? It is 10. 6 minus 1, 5/10. Then B we have 2/5. How much does he surrender? 2/15. So what is the LCM? 15. 6 minus 2, that is 4/15. So what is of C? 110 of A, 2/15 of B. So 110 plus 2/15. What is the LCM now again? LCM will be 30. 3 plus 4, 7/30. Clear? So what is the new ratio? 5/10 is to 4/15 is to 7/30. LCM will be 30. So 15 is to 8 is to 7. Next we have calculation of goodwill. What is C's share of goodwill? The total share is 1,20,000. उसमें से C का कितना है 7/30. So C share of goodwill will be 28,000. So out of this 28,000, half is brought in cash, half is not brought in cash. That is 14,000 in cash. 14,000 won't be in cash. So write down, out of this half, that is 14,000 is brought in cash and remaining 14,000 is not brought in cash. So what is the entry of goodwill when it is brought in cash? It is new partner's capital account to old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. And when it is not brought in cash, what is the journal entry? It is new partner's current account to old partner's capital account. Turn back your pages and see case number 2 and 3 of goodwill. Next, we need to prepare the revaluation account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Please, you are supposed to draw the format. So they have given stock and furniture are reduced. So stock is reduced to 56,000 and in the old balance sheet it is 60,000. So 60,000 minus 56,000. Stock is reduced by 4,000. Furniture is reduced by 5,000. To furniture account 5,000. Then there is unrecorded asset. By unrecorded asset, how much is it? 20,000. Then we have two outstanding rent, 15,000. Two creditors, 10,000. By prepaid insurance, 2,000. So which side is more, a debit side or credit side? Our debit side total is more, that is 34,000. 34,000. So we get a loss by old partners capital account in bracket loss transferred. A and B, 34,000 minus 20,000 minus 2,000, that is 12,000. So for 8 it is 12,000 into 3 by 5, that is 7,200. 12,000 into 2 by 5, 4,800. Why 3 by 5 and 2 by 5? Because they have given us the old ratio, that is 3:2. Clear? After this we need to prepare the partners capital account. We have debit side, credit side. We have three partners A, B, C. Particulars A, B, C. Particulars A, B, C. So what is the first check? Bring down the balance from old balance sheet. So by balance brought down 1,50,000 and 80,000. Then do we have any reserve given in the problem? No. Then we need to bring the loss of revaluation account, 7,200, 4,800. Then we need to bring the capital of C. So by bank account, C's capital is how much? 1 lakh. Then we have goodwill. Goodwill is shared among all partners. So by premium for goodwill among the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. So 14,000 into 3 by 5, 6,000. 14,000 into 3 by 5, 8,000. So why am I writing 14,000? Because half of the goodwill is brought in cash and the remaining half is brought in credit. So what is the journal entry for remaining halves? It is by C's current account. How much is it again? 6,000, 8,000. Then in the old balance sheet, they have given us goodwill. So to goodwill account in the old ratio to the old partners, 30,000 into 3 by 5, 18,000. 30,000 into 2 by 5, 12,000. I hope you are clear with this entry. This is case 2. This is case 3. Goodwill not brought in cash, and case 2 is goodwill brought in cash. Next we need to total our partner's capital account. Which side is more? Our credit side total is more. 1,62,000, 96,000, 1 lakh, 1,62,000, 96,000 and 1 lakh. So to balance carried down, we have 1,36,800, 79,200 and 1 lakh. Next we need to do the bank account. Debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. First step is to bring down the balance. To balance brought down, how much is it? 40,000. Then we have C's capital account 1 lakh. Then we have 2 premium for goodwill. How much is it? 14,000. Total a bank account, it is 1,54,000. 1,54,000. So by balance carried down, 1,54,000. Last we need to do the balance sheet as on 1st April 2017. We have stock 56,000, furniture 45,000, bank 1,54,000, debtors 1,20,000, prepaid insurance 2,000, unrecorded asset 20,000, C's current account 14,000. Then on liabilities we have creditors 70,000 plus 10,000, that is 80,000. Then we have outstanding rent 15,000. Then we have capital account A, B, C. A is 1,36,800, B is 79,200, C is 1 lakh. So we get 3,16,000. So what is the total of balance sheet? 4,11,000. 4,11,000. Clear? Next, write down the side heading. Hidden goodwill. Under that, write down. Sometimes the value of goodwill is hidden in the question. Full stop. In such cases, the amount of goodwill is calculated on the basis of total capital of the firm and the profit sharing ratios of the partner. So बहुत बार क्या होगा, goodwill नहीं दी होगी question में, so there will be hidden goodwill. So let me give you an example. Say for example, A and B are partners. Their capitals are 30,000 and 20,000. Okay. They admit C for 1/4 share and he brings capital 24,000. Okay. So if we see only C's capital, based on C's capital, how much should be the total capital of the firm? it should be 24,000 into 4 by 1. That is 96,000. But actually, how much is the capital? It is A plus B plus C. A it is 30,000, B it is 20,000, C it is 24,000. How much is it? 74,000. So if we add A, B and C capital, we get 74,000. But according to C's ratio, it is 96,000. So what will be goodwill? The difference between 96,000 and 74,000 will be taken as hidden goodwill. Clear? Let's take down illustration 68. Saloni and Shrishti were partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 7:3. Their capitals are 2 lakh and 1,50,000. They admitted Aditi on 1st April as a new partner for 1/6 share. Aditi brought 1 lakh as her capital. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm and pass necessary journal entry. So first, write down total capital of the firm on the basis of Aditi's capital. How much is it? 1 lakh into 6 by 1, that is 6 lakh. Then less total capital of all partners. How much is it of Saloni? 2 lakh. Shrishti 1,50,000. And Aditi brought 1 lakh as capital. So how much is it? 4,50,000. कितना difference आ रहा है? So 1,50,000 will be goodwill of the firm. So in this 1,50,000, what is Aditi's share of goodwill? It is 1,50,000 into 1 by 6. So Aditi's share is 25,000. So what will be the journal entries? The first journal entry will be new partner bringing capital. What is the entry? On 1st April 2013, bank account debited to Aditi's capital account. How much is it? 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Amount of capital brought in by Aditi. Next, again on 1st April, Aditi will give her share of goodwill to the old partners. So Aditi's current account debited to Saloni's capital account to Shrishti's capital account. So what is the share of goodwill of Aditi? 25,000. So it is in the sacrificing ratio. 25,000 into 7 by 10, 17,500. 25,000 into 3 by 10, 7,500. So write the narration. Aditi's share of goodwill credited to sacrificing partner's capital account. Clear? Next, let's go on to illustration 69. Abhay and Beena are partners in the firm. They admit Chetan as a partner with 1/4 share of the profit. Chetan brings 2 lakh as his share of capital. The value of the total assets is 5,40,000 and liabilities are 1 lakh. Give necessary journal entry of goodwill. Also show your working notes. So here they have not given us the capital of Abhay and Beena. How can we find out? Net worth is equal to assets minus liabilities. So what are the outside liabilities? 5,40,000 is the asset. 1 lakh is the outside liability. So the net worth will be 4,40,000. So in this problem, write down under that your combined capital of Abhay and Veena is rupees 4,40,000. Okay. Next we need to do calculation of goodwill. Total capital of the firm according to Chetan's share. So it will be 2 lakh into 4 by 1, that is 8 lakh, less capital of the firm. So combined capital is how much? 4,40,000. And what is capital of the new partner, that is Chetan? It is 2 lakh. So we get 6,60,000. So difference 1,60,000 will be value of firm's goodwill. So next we need to write Chetan's share of goodwill. How much is it? 1,60,000 into 1 by 4, that is 40,000. So what will be the journal entry? So first journal entry will be entry for capital, that is bank account debited to Chetan's capital account, 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Cash brought in by Chetan as his capital. Next entry is Chetan's current account debited to Abhay's capital account to Veena's capital account. His share of goodwill is 40,000. So 40,000. They have not given us the profit sharing ratio. We assume it is equal because we know the combined capital. So it is 20,000 each. Write the narration. Credit given for goodwill to Abhay and Veena on Chetan's admission. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.